ULTIMEA Skywave F30 Boom. Unbox and setup.
Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Take out the items from the box one by one. We provide all cables for you, no need to buy them separately. Now, let's assemble the soundbar. Step 1. Align the joints of the two parts. Step 2. Twist to connect. Plug the power cord into the soundbar. Plug in the power supply. Plug the RCA terminal of the cable behind the subwoofer into the sub-out port of the soundbar. For a better listening experience, please lay out the entire system as shown in the video. Then experience the depth and realism of immersive surround sound. Alright. It's time to connect your TV. There are 3 ways to connect: HDMI, eARC, Optical, Bluetooth. Please note, Dolby Atmos is exclusively supported through HDMI. Optical and Bluetooth connections do not support Dolby Atmos. Firstly, connect to your TV via HDMI eARC output. HDMI eARC cable, included. For optimal performance, use HDMI ARC/eARC if your TV offers an ARC/eARC output. Then insert the other end into the HDMI eARC port of the soundbar. Plug in the power supply. Use the remote control to switch the soundbar mode to eARC by pressing the eARC button. For the TV in the video, follow these steps. Navigate to Settings. Sound output. Receiver. The TV's remote control can operate both the soundbar and TV together, allowing you to 1. Power on/off. 2. Adjust the volume. Power on. Volume up. Volume down. Mute. Power off. Connect to your TV via optical out. Optical cable, included. Optical connection. Remove the protective cap from both ends. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Then insert the other end into the optical port on the back of the soundbar. Plug in the power supply. The soundbar will power on automatically. Using the remote control, switch the soundbar mode to OPT by pressing the OPT button. For the TV in the video, follow these steps: Settings, Sound output, Optical. Prefer wireless? Here, Bluetooth connection. Connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Using the remote control, short press to select Bluetooth channel. Turn on Bluetooth setting of your phone. Choose the name of Skywave F30 Boom to connect the soundbar. When you hear the voice prompt ding-dong from the soundbar, it indicates a successful Bluetooth connection. If your TV has a Bluetooth output, you can also connect the soundbar wirelessly. Connect to your TV via Bluetooth. Using the remote control, short press to select Bluetooth channel. Turn on your TV's Bluetooth. Choose the name of Skywave F30 Boom to connect the soundbar. When you hear the voice prompt ding-dong from the soundbar, it indicates a successful Bluetooth connection. You've learned how to connect HDMI, optical and Bluetooth with the soundbar. Still no sound? Don't worry. All it takes is a TV audio format settings. 1. Select Auto 4 General Audio. 2. Select Pass-Through 4 Atmos Audio, only works with HDMI eARC. 3. Select PCM4 DTS Audio. 1. TV Auto Setting. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings. Sound. Expert Settings. Digital Output Audio Format. Auto. 2. TV Pass-Through Setting. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings. Sound. Expert Settings. Digital Output Audio Format. Pass-Through. 3. TV PCM Setting. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings. Sound. Expert Settings. Digital Output Audio Format. PCM. Different TVs may have different setup steps. How to set up the soundbar and TV. Normally as below. Settings. Sound. Digital audio output. PCM. You already know the basic connections. Another big surprise for the ULTIMEA Skywave F30 Boom. This soundbar can be controlled via the ULTIMEA Smart app. Now, we'll help you set up a system. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us.